Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Due to severe skill shortages, Australia provides temporary work visas and permanent migration visas to foreign workers, giving them a range of possibilities. It's important to know which Australian work visas are available to migrants, and to choose the appropriate one depending on your eligibility. You can apply for some visas without a work offer provided you match the qualifying requirements, as certain visas don't require sponsorship. The several kinds of Australian work visas that can be obtained without a job offer will be highlighted in this video. 1. Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189. If you do not have sponsorship from a company, family, state, or territory government, but still fulfill the standards to meet Australia's skills demand, you may apply for the Skilled Independent Visa, which allows you to live permanently in Australia. The online expression of interest is the first step in the application process, and after that, you have to apply for the Skilled Migration Visa. To qualify for a visa under the General Skilled Migration Program, you must be able to meet the conditions after being invited to apply. A successful application results in permanent residency in Australia for the holder of an Australian Skilled Independent Visa. With this visa, you and your qualified family members can enter and exit Australia, work and study in Australia, have access to Medicare, and when you're qualified, you can apply for Australian citizenship. For a maximum of 5 years following the issuance of this visa, you are free to enter and exit Australia as often as you like. 2. Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa, Subclass 491. With a track to permanent residency, skilled migrants can live, work, and study in certain regional areas of Australia for up to 5 years with the Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa, Subclass 491. Either an eligible relative must sponsor you or an Australian state or territory government agency must recommend you. To be invited to apply, prospective applicants for this visa must first submit an online expression of interest. After receiving an invitation to apply, you need to be able to meet the prerequisites in order to be eligible for a visa under the General Skilled Migration Program. 3. Australia Subclass 476 Visa. The primary purpose of this visa is to allow engineering graduates to work and reside in Australia for a period of 1 year and 6 months. The applicant for the visa must be a graduate who completed their studies within the last 2 years at an accredited university. This visa is more than simply a means of travel. It's a path to career advancement and the opportunity to leave your mark on Australia's dynamic engineering scene. For this visa, you do not need to have a job offer. However, there may be limitations if you have previously had a certain visa. English language ability is also necessary with some exceptions. It seeks to draw in competent people and strengthen the Australian labour force by giving graduates the opportunity to obtain relevant job experience. 4. Skilled Regional Visa Subclass 887. The 887 visa is a permanent work visa that is exclusively granted to those who have resided and worked in certain regions of Australia. You can only stay in Australia permanently with the 887 visa if you were employed and resided in a certain area of Australia while holding your previous visa. In addition, after a few years of holding your 887 visa, you may apply for Australian citizenship provided you meet the requirements. Dependents and partners can apply as main applicants if they meet the eligibility requirements and possess a skilled visa. 5. Temporary Graduate Visa Subclass 485. For foreign students who have finished 2 years of education in Australia, the Temporary Graduate Visa, Subclass 485, can be granted. The duration may take from 18 months to 4 years, depending on your circumstances. It is a smart move to prolong your stay in Australia in order to raise your chances of being granted a skilled temporary or permanent visa. When filing an application for a 485 visa, the principal applicant must be in Australia and have held an eligible student visa during the 6 months before the application. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.